Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna teach you and show you how to print the linen Christmas stocking. As you can see, there are two different kinds of colors, the green one, the red one. And on the other side is where we can print. Okay, let's see what we still need. Well, and I'm gonna introduce this stuff that we're gonna utilize during the process. Of course, the first thing is our stocking, print paper, and then is high heat resistant tape and glove for protecting ourselves. Okay, let's get started. Before we start printing, we gotta make preheating for 5 seconds. Put out the panel, put our Christmas stocking on the panel. Remember to flip the stocking lining inside out and put the stocking out of the panel, because it will impact the final result if stocking lining on the panel. Remember, cover with Teflon sheet. After preheating, reset the temperature and time to 180 Celsius degree and 60 seconds. Then, lay the printing paper on the panel. Face up, remember. Also, lay the Christmas stocking above the printing paper, making sure that the blank side of Christmas stocking is aimed at the right position of the print paper. Fixing with high heat resistant tapes. Turn it over and lift the stocking mouth out of the panel. In the end, fully covered with Teflon sheet. Here we go. Okay, let's check out the result. Tear off the tapes. Look at this. What a wonderful effect.